Hey, what's up, XRP? This is live price prediction. You watching ABS Technical channel. Please click the subscribe button. Just 6% people subscribe my channel. Please cross 2K subscribe. Please subscribe. Okay, so let's get started. Live price prediction of last 1 hour. You can see here this is last 1 hour result of the change. As you can see here, the change is 0.75%. Absolutely good change, absolutely good change. XRP going upward, and this is good time for buyers. So let's see, this is the change of profit. You can see here the highest profit as 0.49 and 18 US dollar. Easily today they cross 1 US dollar. I hope they cross easily 1 US dollar. So you can see here in the graph result is absolutely going down, but in the last 1 hour you can see here the result has changed and they are starting growing up. So let's see the last 2 hour result. I hope the last 2 hour result is also good. You can see here in the graph the last 2 hour result is absolutely good. You can see here they are going to profit. You can see here, but this time they are going down, and this is, I hope they are going again upward. So let's see the last 2 hour results. You can see here the changes as 0.23%. Absolutely good change, not bad. So the profit is equal. You can see here 0.49 and 18 US dollar. Absolutely good profit. So I hope they easily cross it 1 US dollar. Please click the subscribe button for latest update. I update you any last hour. Just you can click the subscribe button, okay, and press the bell icon for notification. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.